everybody, and welcome back to Dance with Mary NYC. I thought I'd do something a little different this month and take you to one of my favorite dance places in New York City, Chacott by Freed of London. It is the most gorgeous store in all of New York. It has what any dancer needs. So let's take a look.
Located in the heart of the iconic Flatiron District, Chacott by Freed of London boasts over 25,000 square feet of space and is one of my favorite places in New York. There are over 20,000 different pieces of merchandise for sale catering to dance lovers of all ages. The modern, chic space is filled with items for ballet, yoga, jazz, ballroom, and a world-famous line of cosmetics. The shop carries a full line of freed handmade pointe shoes from England and many styles by Chacott imported from Japan. Chacott also carries a line of technology gear that is useful in cross-training and sauna gear that helps dancers stay warm and cozy. Another highlight is Chacott's beautiful costumes, including tutus and tiaras. The meticulous attention to detail and handiwork shows in every single piece. The costumes can be worn for competitions, photo shoots, and performances. There is also a line of mementos perfect for anyone inspired by dance. When you travel to New York, make sure to visit this unique and elegant space.
I just want to thank Chacott by Freed of London today, and I want to thank Louie and Stefania. Thank you so much for helping me out. Did you have fun? I had a great time. Don't forget to subscribe, click if you like something, and leave your comments below, and I'm going to continue shopping. Yep.